Huh? Ooh. Morning, Finnegan. Finn! Finn! Thomas? Are you up? Oh. Oh? I was just going back to sleep. Why? What's wrong? Oh, please don't start. I'm not well. Oh. Maybe it's the water that you had from the pond yesterday. Oof! Hey! Oh, no, Thomas. It's my fire. After the firelighter came by, I was meant to move those vans and help Edward. But I can't build enough steam. Can you please move those vans and help Edward today? Please? Oh, fine. But I hope James doesn't complain about those connections with the pasture trades again. Cinders and ashes! How did this place get so disorganized? Finn! Thomas! Is that you? Edward? Edward, you're better than this. Hey, don't look at me. A certain black engine with number 5 wasn't organized around here last night. And speaking of which, where's Henry? Oh, he's playing sick again. Oof! Again? Finnegan, please explain. Finn!